Hey friends, if Microsoft Word won't open on your Windows PC, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first thing is to disable add-ins, but the question is how would you disable add-ins when you're not able to open Microsoft Word at all? So here's what you can do. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command winword.exe space /save and hit enter. This will open Windows Microsoft Word in the safe mode, and the add-ins will be disabled, but they will still exist. So click on File, select Options, go to the Add-ins tab, change this to COM add-ins if it's not already selected at that. Click on Go, select all the add-ins, remove them, and then restart Word as normal, and it will work this time. Like in 99% cases, this solution will be the final one. But if it doesn't, then here's what you can do. Search for Microsoft 365. Okay, Office. Um, okay, here's what you can do. Right click on this, select settings from the menu, go to the apps tab, select installed apps, and then go to the Microsoft Office app in this list. Okay, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select modify, click on online repair, and click on repair to initiate the repair process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.